Hello guys, so today we are going to use the Binance Pool. How we can mine on Binance Pool, I will give you the all details and give you the commands for direct use for multiple workers also, and you can use referral to earn more on this pool. As you know, our previous pool is giving the low amount of rewards. That's why we are going to use the Binance pool. And before moving forward, please make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the like button and let's go. सो गाइज आपको जो है कुछ इस तरीके का इंटरफेस मिलेगा. सिंपली यू कैन क्लिक ऑन रजिस्टर and enter your email and password. Similarly for mobile, you need to enter your mobile number and then password. Click on create account. अगर आप जो है रेफरल आईडी भी यूज़ करना चाहते हो तो यूज़ कर लेना. लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगा, उसी में ही रेफरल आईडी होगी. आप जो है सिंपली उस पर क्लिक करिए और जो है आप चले जाइएगा. आफ्टर रजिस्टरिंग यू कैन सी दैट you can mine two coins. One is BTC and other one is Ethereum. Ethereum is based on Ethhash algorithm. So simply create an account list. So click on here, click on account. You need to give the name of the worker. Here there is no need of wallet address. Wallet address is needed when you withdraw your amount, but for mining you need a name. So simply you can write any name, like I have already written Devhu, so you can write whatever you want. So I am written here subscribe it. Then algorithm, you have to select the algorithm, for which algorithm you have set the worker name. So it has for subscribe it and click on create. Account is added. Now what you have to do is you need to use this configuration. So simply click, I will give you the command of lol miner, nb miner, both of the miners command. You just need to replace your worker name. Here you can see the how, if you want to use multiple workers, अगर आप चाहते हो कि मेरे खूब सारे वर्कर्स यूज़ हो तो सिंपली आप डॉट लगा करके जितने भी मल्टीपल आप रैंडम नंबर्स यूज़ करना चाहते हो वो यूज़ कर सकते हो. I will give you the command in the description. Simply copy it. It will automatically generate the random numbers for you. Simply. You can also refer this pool. Here you can see 30% return rate is there. So referral code is this and referral link is this. So I will give you the link in description and simply click on it and register yourself in Binance pool. You can also download the application for this pool simply, and let's see how much we can earn from this pool. Now we have normally 24 mega hash, so we can check here 0.00051 Ethereum we can earn, and mining fee is only 0.5%, and that is very good to our previous pool. And the previous mining pool is now giving you a very low profit, so that's why we have to move on the new pool, and that is very good pool. And you can trade to Ethereum to any other coin, so you can use the Binance app or BuzzRX. I will give you the link in description. So simply enjoy it and download the application and trade your Ethereum to any coin if you think that coin, that token values increases to high. Here is the command for two miners. One is for nano miner. Simply you can see it downloads the nano miner and giving the permission for executing it. So here you can see the shuffle, it can create randomly numbers and it is your worker name. Not you have to write your worker name here, whatever you have created your account, that is the lol miner, giving the executable permission and run this. Here you can see similarly for shuffling the random numbers. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.